He had a vision and he thought that a center must be created which is an excellence for retina and cataract, because these two services go hand in hand. Of course, cornea and glaucoma are also very important. His vision, along with Dr. Aman Kumar, was to create something which can cater to every strata of the society, and also that no man should go blind because of not treating them well. So retina is something which is not replaceable. It's a brain tissue, and this is the entire story behind it. Dr. Atul and Dr. Aman, who have been trained in these services, have created AKIO with this vision in their mind, that we create one center at one place where we can treat everyone and at least give vision, which is, when you provide vision, you strengthen, you empower a person. Thank you.